Okay, right here you're gonna go ahead and see me taking off at a quick pace, it looks like. Bugs is quite a machine, quite a machine. It's real tight right here where I'm at. Real tight. Kind of hard to fly. You gotta watch what you're doing all the time. You get caught up in the trees, it's done. Just a little. You know I had to do it. You know I had to. I always ease her back down. I don't ever let her fall out of the sky. I do kind of like her fly around the yard though, Captain Cook. I know it's not built for that, but you know I gotta fly, man. I buzz around for a few minutes. I don't know if you can hear the sound. Yep, there's another punch out. It's got a lot of power, This is about a 3/4 battery, man. I only used about a quarter of it, really, you know, flying around, what have you, and then I was ready to get someone to film me. But yeah, even at half a battery, I mean, it's so powerful. You can just, but smooth flight on a dime. I really like to use my yaw. I like to spin around in circles, as you can see. I just really like how I learned how to fly. And I found, you guys probably already know this, but I found that if I get into a situation I don't like, I can yaw 25, 30, 40 degrees and be able to get myself out of trouble, because quad will stop on a dime and go the other direction and before you even know what it's done. Just amazing aircraft. Lots of fun to fly. Lots of power. More power than my little sharper image was. I mean, just whoa, wow, lots of power. Just really surprising how much power. And get her down out of the air and what have you. She's really never hot. I mean, a little warm, but not hot. But I think we went, I don't know how long we went on this battery. It blows my mind how the battery can hold out that long. Just, I don't get it. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Chris. MD95TSI. You know the Silver Top loves you. As you can see, I'm not as quite as accomplished as y'all are. I'm really dying to get out in a big field where I can, you know, where I can lay her down, see her tilt that nose down and get it going. I really like that, you know. I don't know why, but I do. That punch right there that you're gonna see. Hang on, wait for it. Oop, there it goes. You can see it really good because of the lights. You can see it really well because of the lights. The blue in the back, they really stick out really heavily. And during the daytime, you can turn them off. You can press on the shoulder button and it'll turn right off. The backs will, the blues will. The whites stay on. Like I said, it's pretty tight right here. You can see it. You can see all them hardwoods and what have you. We're right at 2,250 feet, I guess. We don't have to worry about no floods getting us. If anyone knows, you know, North Georgia area, it's quite hilly. And, us uplanders, we live up here in the hills. It's God's country. I moved up here, like I told y'all before, I moved up here to the hills, get away from the city. I couldn't stand it no more. It drives me crazy. Couldn't fly in the city like it. No way. I feel for the people who live in the city. I really do. I mean, where do you go to fly? Must be terrible. I think I was wheeling around trying to come in and make a landing. I think that's what I was getting at. I don't know. I know it looks haphazard to you. I know it's got to, because you can't really see real good because of how dark the trees were. This was early in the morning, right when the sun was coming up. I was ready to fly, you know what I mean? I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Standing there at the door waiting for the sun to come up so you can get outside and fly. I know who I'm talking about. You know who you are. I ain't gonna mention no names. MD95TSI. I know how you are. I'm the same way. You're my brother. Supposed to be the same way, aren't we? I thought so. I just love you to death for hooking me up the way you did. You just don't know what you lit inside of me. Thank you, brother. I love you. Look at that. pow, like a bullet. Nothing like it. Absolutely nothing like it. Totally just, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like it was meant to be. Absolutely love it. Oh boy. See how dark the pine trees are? Early in the morning, they're almost brownish black. Got a really cool color to them. It's just the way the sun hits them, I think. And right about here, I'm starting to come in for that landing I was talking about. And I don't quite nail it. I can land with one leg on the grass and one leg on the wood there. I made that out of maple when I worked at the cabinet shop. It's a nice piece of maple. I laminated it myself. Put sand and sealer on it. Oop! Up and away we go. It wasn't right, was it, Cap? Captain's going to want a perfect landing, and I'm going to give him one. So I shot back off, went up and around. I fly around for, I don't know, a couple more minutes. Man, battery life is amazing on the Bugs. Those little 1800 mAh batteries, they really work well. Long flight time out of them. Really dig it. Here's the explosion boom. Looks like I'm gonna punch around maybe for another few more minutes. I just want to check the bird out. Still kind of a little shy about it, you know. Nothing wrong with being a little bit cautious, I think. Make sure your head space, make sure you know what's going on around you. It's called spatial orientation. I read a book on it, pretty cool. Right here, I'm gonna come on in and try to put the bird on the ground without tearing anything up. I'm gonna go ahead and sit her on down. That's it, folks. I appreciate you watching. This is Silvertop Flyer signing off.
He's blowing me around.